Ek Shandar Red Lamborghini Showroom K Beachon Beach Kadi Hai, Jahan Har Tarif Safed Rang Ka Ek Minimalist Aur Futuristic Mahal Hai. Us Chamakte Hu Body Panels Showroom Ki Roshni Ko is Tara Reflect Kart Hain Jaise Kisi Ne Lal Shish Ko Polish Kark Sa Jaya Ho. Har Curve, Har Edges Bot Ka Sa Boot Hai K Ye Sirf Ek Kar Nahi, Ek Engineering Ka Masterpiece Hai. Lamborghini Ka Iconic Badge USKE Front Grille Car Chamak Raha Hai, Jaise Ek San Ka Taj. Front Say Deco to Iski Aggressive Look, Sleek Headlights Our Low Slung Body Turrent Nazar Pocket Letty High. Engine Ka Garage Na, Agar Sunai De J, To Us Showroom K San 8 Mi Bijli Ki Tara Gunjta. Is Car Ka Back View Bi Utna High K Hub Surat High, Sharp tail lights, powerful exhausts, our aerodynamic lines use Ek fighter jet ka Roop Neat Hain. Jab op USKE side profiles Car Nazar Dalt Hain, Chahe left Hoya right, to Lamborghini Ka design language clearly Samaj Miata High. Low profile tires, Batty alloy wheels, our door K Har Edge Car Com Kia Gaya craftsmanship deep to high. Our jab op USKE and our jonk te hain to Ek our high duniya cool jati high. Jet cockpit J's interiors, red our black leather seats, carbon fiber Ka dashboard, our digital controls, Sab Kuch future co represent Karta high. Steering wheel Pay Lamborghini Ka logo Ek pride Ka symbol high. Har switch, Har display driver ko is Tara say surround Karta high K lagta high J's koi race K liye tair ho. Comfort our power Ka perfect blend high car. Showroom Ka Safed background Lamborghini K red color ko our Viziata Uvar Car Dikata High. Kora Mahal Ek cinematic frame Jaise Lagta High, Jahan Sab Kuchas Car Ko High highlight Karne K Liye design Kia Gaya Ho. Ye Lamborghini Surf Ek Gadi Nahi, Ek Jazba High, Ek lifestyle high, Jis Har Car lover Apni Sapni Mi Dekta High.